Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make the video in PowerPoint presentation, or how we can make the video presentation. Okay, by using your slide or your voice. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. This I have five slide here, so you can easily export videos of this slide. Go to the file and go to the export, and here you can create the videos. Okay, but now if you click now here you can select the video quality like HD or standard, whatever you want, just select. And here you can see there is a no voice or narration. Now you can create the video. You can also make the second spin on each slide, so whatever you want second. Okay, so here you can change the second of each slides, and you can create the video, and you can see in your device. Now if you want to make the voiceover, or you want to add the audio on this video in PowerPoint, then you have to go in slides, and here you can go to the record slide. Or there is another way, go to the insert, and here you can record the audio slide by slide. Just click on record, and you can just speak, and it will be record. Okay, so and you can move your slide. This is for only one slide. Okay, so I just need to stop it, so it will be saved on your slide, so you can play it. Okay, so I just delete it. So if you want to record audio voice slide showing, go to the slideshow. Here go to the you can record from current slide, or you record from beginner side. Okay, so just start record, and your beginning first slide will be open, and this recording has been started. So you have to record, and slide will be moved, and you can record. Okay, you have to click when you complete your first slide, then just get the one pause, or you just click on slide, and the another slide will become, and you can record. Then again click on, then you can record. After done everything, go to the this, click on next. Okay, so okay, after next the voice icon will become here, and this is your recorded voice. Okay, so it will be apply for every slide. Okay, in last slide didn't apply because I just speak, I think, till this slide. Okay, so now the voice has been added. Now you can also select this voice icon and go to the format, and here you can change something on your voice. Okay, here you can fade in, you can make fade in, you can trim audio, you can add who, you can make volume, you can change volume, medium, high, anything. Okay, you can also start automatic. This is for slideshow, but if you want to make audio or video, don't do anything. Only no, for video don't need to it, not to need anything. Just insert the audio, go to the file, go to the export. Now go to the create video, and here you have to choose the video quality. And now this is the voice narration has show here. Just select the voice narration, use the record timing and narration. Okay, now you can you know how much time we need to the video spend to one each. You have to select the time and create the video, then the video will be created. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.